Hey beautiful people! Welcome back to the channel. If your hair has been feeling dry, dull, or just not giving the glow it used to, I got you. You know that feeling when your hair just looks and feels blah? Like you're rocking a halo of frizz instead of that healthy shine we all crave? Today I'm showing you how to get smooth, shiny, healthy-looking hair in just 3 days, using simple, affordable things you can do right at home. Seriously, you probably have most of this stuff already. We're talking total hair transformation, honey. Let's glow up together. Alright guys, day 1 is all about hitting the reset button on our hair. We're talking a fresh, clean slate. Think of it like this. Your hair collects dirt, pollutants, and product buildup over time just like your skin. And all that gunk? It's basically suffocating your hair's natural shine. So we're starting strong with a clarifying shampoo. This is going to remove all that buildup and give you a clean canvas to work with. Not all clarifying shampoos are created equal though, so look for one that's sulfate-free so it doesn't strip your hair of its natural oils. You want clean, not stripped. Now comes the good stuff, deep conditioning. After you rinse out the clarifying shampoo, apply a generous amount of deep conditioner from root to tip. I'm talking really work it in there section by section. And if you want to take it to the next level, use a shower cap to trap in heat and let that mask really penetrate. Look for a mask with ingredients like coconut oil, argan oil, or shea butter. These are all super hydrating and will leave your hair feeling like silk. Leave it in for a good 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with cool water to seal the hair cuticles. Trust me, your hair will already feel softer and smoother after this first day. Welcome to day 2, babes. Now that we've detoxed and deep conditioned, it's time to give our hair some serious hydration. Think of it like this. We just quenched our hair's thirst. Now we need to keep it hydrated throughout the day. That's where leave-in conditioner or hair serum comes in. You want something lightweight that won't weigh down your hair, but still packs a moisturizing punch. Look for products with hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, or glycerin. These are all humectants, meaning they attract and hold on to moisture. Apply a small amount of your chosen product from mid-length to ends, focusing on any areas that tend to get dry. And here's a little secret. Avoid heat styling today. I know it's hard. But trust me, your hair will thank you. Heat styling can undo all the hard work we did yesterday. Instead, let your hair air dry naturally. Embrace those natural waves or curls, girl. Today is all about giving your hair a break and letting it soak up all that moisture. We're going for maximum hydration and minimal manipulation. Chapter 3. Day 3. Style and shine. Good morning, gorgeous. It's day 3, and by now your hair is already halfway to goddess status. You should be feeling that softness, that smoothness, and you're probably noticing a little extra shine already. Today is all about styling without stressing, enhancing what we've already achieved. If you absolutely must use heat, please use a heat protectant spray. I cannot stress this enough. It's like sunscreen for your hair, protecting it from damage. But even better, embrace heatless styles. Try braiding your hair before bed for effortless waves in the morning. Or, if you're feeling fancy, use some foam rollers for bouncy curls. There are tons of amazing heatless tutorials on YouTube. Get creative and have fun with it. And to really make that shine pop, finish with a touch of hair oil or shine spray. Just a tiny bit goes a long way. Apply it to your ends and lightly over your hair, avoiding the roots. And there you have it. Smooth, shiny, healthy-looking hair in just 3 days. Chapter 4. Bonus tips for hair you'll love. Alright, my loves, before I let you go, I've got a few bonus tips to really take your hair game to the next level. Consider these your secret weapons for long-term hair health. First up, ditch your cotton pillowcase and switch to satin or silk. Cotton absorbs moisture from your hair, leaving it dry and prone to breakage. Satin or silk, on the other hand, allows your hair to glide effortlessly, preventing friction and those dreaded sleep wrinkles. Plus, it feels super luxurious. Next, be mindful of your hairstyles. Avoid super tight ponytails or braids that pull on your hair and can lead to breakage, especially around the hairline. If you feel any tension, loosen up a bit. And last but not least, remember that true hair health starts from within. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your hair hydrated from the inside out. And nourish your body with foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, like salmon, avocados, and nuts. These nutrients are essential for strong, shiny, healthy hair. Chapter 5. Shine bright, gorgeous, and that's it. Just 3 days, 3 simple steps, and your hair can go from me to OMG, wow. Seriously, this routine is a game changer. No more hiding behind dry, dull hair. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty hacks every week. Drop A in the comments if you're trying this routine, and tag me in your results on Instagram. I love seeing your transformations. Stay glowing, stay gorgeous. See you in the next one.